Peekaboo Facts, where facts pop up and say hello. Fun learning for kids. Hi friends, are you ready for an exciting adventure? Today we're going to meet 25 amazing crawling animals. Each one is unique, fun, and full of surprises. Let's crawl along together and discover them all. Snail. Look at this tiny snail. It moves so slowly, carrying its shiny shell. Isn't that amazing? It leaves a shiny slime trail wherever it goes. Wow, what a little snail! Caterpillar. Check out this cute caterpillar munching on leaves. It will turn into a beautiful butterfly one day. It crawls using many tiny legs along branches. Isn't that incredible? Crab. Look at this crab crawling sideways. It has strong claws to grab food. Crabs can live both on land and near the sea. Amazing little crab. Lobster. Check out this lobster crawling along the ocean floor. It has a hard shell for protection. It uses its claws to catch and eat food. Wow, what a strong lobster! Hermit crab. Look at this little hermit crab living in a borrowed shell. It crawls slowly on sand and changes shells as it grows. It hides in shells to stay safe from predators. What a clever little crab! Beetle. Check out this shiny beetle crawling on the ground. It has a hard shell to protect its body. Some beetles can be found in many colors. Isn't that a cool beetle? Ant. Look at these tiny ants crawling in a long line. They are super strong for their size, carrying food and leaves together. Ants work as a team to build tunnels underground and find food to share. Wow, such hard-working little ants, always busy together. Ladybug. Check out this pretty ladybug crawling on a leaf. It has red wings with black spots. Ladybugs eat tiny insects that harm plants. So cute, isn't it? Spider. Look at this spider crawling with 8 legs. It spins a sticky web to catch insects. Some spiders can jump or climb very well. Amazing little spider! Scorpion. Check out this scorpion crawling at night. It has a stinger on its tail. Scorpions hide under rocks and sand to stay safe. What a fascinating creature! Centipede. Look at this centipede crawling with many legs. It moves really fast to catch its food. Some centipedes can be venomous to small insects. Wow, so many legs. Millipede. Check out this millipede crawling slowly on the ground. It curls into a ball when it feels threatened. Millipedes eat decaying plants and leaves. Isn't that interesting? Earthworm. Look at this little earthworm crawling under the soil. It helps plants grow by enriching the soil. Earthworms do not have legs but move smoothly. Amazing little helper! Slug. Check out this slimy slug crawling along the ground. It leaves a shiny trail behind as it moves. Slugs eat leaves, fruits, and vegetables. What a slippery little slug. Gecko. Look at this gecko with its bright eyes and sticky feet. It can climb walls and even hang upside down. Geckos make little chirping sounds to talk to each other. Wow, what an amazing little gecko! Lizard. Check out this lizard with its shiny skin. Lizards come in many shapes and colors. Some are green, some are brown, and some can even change shades to blend in. They enjoy sitting in the warm sun because it helps them stay active and full of energy. If a predator tries to catch them, lizards can drop their tail and escape quickly. Don't worry, the tail grows back after some time. Some lizards are tiny, while others can grow really big. Wow, such an amazing little lizard. Crocodile. Check out this sneaky crocodile. It hides in the water with only eyes and nose showing. Crocodiles have super strong jaws with sharp teeth. They can stay underwater for a long time without moving. Wow, crocodiles are like living dinosaurs. Alligator. Look at this alligator. It has a wide, rounded snout and very strong jaws. Alligators live in warm swamps and rivers, often floating quietly. They can make loud bellows to talk and sometimes protect their young. Baby alligators call to their mom when they hatch and she helps them. Wow, what a mighty alligator! Turtle. Look at this turtle moving slowly on land. It carries a hard shell that keeps it safe from predators. Some turtles live in water, swimming gracefully, while others walk on land. Turtles can live a very long time, some even over 100 years. They love eating plants, fruits, and sometimes little insects. Wow, what a slow and amazing little turtle! Tortoise. Here's a land-loving tortoise crawling slowly. It has a heavy shell and short, strong legs. Tortoises love munching on plants, fruits, and veggies. They move slowly but can live over 100 years. What a gentle and amazing crawler! Frog. Look at this little frog sitting near the water. Frogs have smooth, wet skin that helps them breathe and stay cool. They love living near ponds, rivers, and lakes where the water is fresh. Frogs can jump really far with their strong legs to catch insects or escape danger. Some frogs make croaking sounds to talk to other frogs. Wow, what a jumpy and amazing little frog! Toad. Check out this toad. It looks like a frog, but its skin is dry and bumpy instead of smooth. Toads often hop on land and love hiding under leaves or logs. They can puff up their bodies to scare away predators. Toads eat lots of insects, helping keep nature in balance. Wow, what a cool little toad! Komodo dragon. Look at this huge Komodo dragon moving with heavy steps. It is the largest lizard in the whole world, even bigger than most people. Komodo dragons live on islands in Indonesia. They have strong jaws and sharp claws to catch their food. These giant reptiles can run surprisingly fast, even though they look slow. Wow, what an amazing and giant reptile! Iguana. Look at this iguana moving slowly on the ground. Iguanas love eating plants, leaves, and fruits to stay healthy. They are great swimmers and can move through water easily. Iguanas have long tails and sharp claws to help them climb trees. Some iguanas can change color a little to hide from predators. Wow, what an amazing iguana! Monitor lizard. Look at this monitor lizard with its long body and strong legs. It can grow really large, some even longer than a person. Monitor lizards use their long, forked tongue to smell the air and find food. They are powerful reptiles that can climb trees, swim in water, and run fast on land. These amazing lizards eat insects, eggs, fish, and even small animals. Wow, what a strong and fascinating lizard. Thanks for watching Peekaboo Facts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss fun new facts. See you next time. Peekaboo. Bye-bye.